the mission of the Public and Community Psychiatry Fellowship at Penn State is to train psychiatrists to be able to provide really high quality care for patients in the community. And in particular, there's a focus on patients who have traditionally been underserved. So what fellows will learn in our Public and Community Psychiatry Fellowship is to really focus on the whole person and not just focusing on prescription of medicines.
I think the community fellowship that I've been part of has a number of different things to offer. One of the things I've really liked about it is that it offers the flexibility to allow me to make my own curriculum. It's a very collegiate atmosphere here. I'm able to have access to any of the faculty and other doctors in our program, and they're all open and willing to help out when needed.
Fellows have the opportunity to have access to the innumerable resources that are available through the Penn State College of Medicine, as well as opportunities to get involved in scholarly, qualitative improvement, or research work. One of the unique aspects of the fellowship is that we're able to take advantage of the close proximity to the Capitol building and the state legislature in Harrisburg. So we've designed a special advocacy seminar series that trains fellows in how to become more effective advocates for both individual patients, but also for populations as a whole.
The city and the surrounding areas have a lot to offer. You get the trappings of a city, you're able to go out, they have art and theater, various museums, but just a quick 10 to 15 minute drive from the downtown area, you're able to access all sorts of nature activities if you're more of an outdoor person. It really does have a little bit for everyone around here.